We've seen other formulations of Instinct out in the field, but coming here and seeing some of the differences between the products and this Instinct NXTGEN is really kind of eye-opening as far as the differences go, and gives me a lot of confidence that we're moving in the right direction with that product. That we've identified the issues that we had with Instinct HL, and knowing that, they were able to make some changes in the formulation to address those issues. There's a really dramatic difference with this new formulation, and I think you ought to be excited to take a look at that and to learn more about it.
I think we did a very good job of looking at all the different possibilities of formulations, what it would be mixed with, and seeing how those all fit together, knowing that it went through that testing and you have the confidence that it will mix the way it should be in the field.
So what I saw in the lab today with Instinct NXTGEN is a product that has a really good flowability. So even in cooler temperatures, I think we're going to see it pump better. I also like the fact that in my marketplace, where we do more with a dry product, a urea type situation, we're going to see this product do a nice job of coating and not clumping. So we think it's going to come out of the applicators in a much better way than maybe what some of the past experiments have.
First off, the formulation's excellent. The viscosity of the formulation compared to Instinct HL, I mean, it's night and day just to start with, without even doing any mixing with ATS or anything like UAN, 28-32%. What really stood out to me was mixing with like a boron or ATS. We did a 50-50 split of ATS and then UAN at 32%. That was very, very impressive. And then putting it through the screens from anywhere from 50 to 100 mesh, and seeing how well it ran through the screens. That's a real life situation. Be confident in it. Definitely be confident. I think that's going to be our job from a territory manager perspective, is to get our retailers believing in a new formulation again. They're going to handle it one time and they're not going to have any issues.
I was very impressed with the new Instinct NXTGEN. I know some customers with HL did describe it as soft serve ice cream, and at 5 degrees Celsius or around 40 degrees Fahrenheit, if you compared that to the NXTGEN product, it really was more like a whole milk type of a consistency, substantially improved flowability and viscosity. So very impressive actually at that temperature.
We took our time to reevaluate the process of our formulation and really looked at it from the retailer grower experience and worked that way back to developing the right formulation versus starting in the lab and kind of working it and hoping that it ended up being the right formulation for the retailer and for the end customer. And I think that in itself, when you understand that's the approach we took, there'll be a certain amount of confidence in that, really showing how well that comes out of the valve, just how easy it flows, and then how well things mix.
Having good flowability of the products is sort of the game stakes to be able to go to the next step, which is all the value that products like Instinct will bring to the marketplace.
I think NXTGEN is a home run, and I think it's something that all of us can sort of grab hold to and build the business with.
I think everyone's been through a lot. What really excites me is just how solid the formulation looks. It's new, it's different, and it's better. This formulation is extremely improved, and it hasn't moved in small increments, it's moved in jump leap steps. I think the field should get excited about it, and they should feel confident in it because we've tested it more than any other product that we've ever tested. Our confidence level should be extremely high in this product.